Welcome to Upwork, the place where freelancing possibilities are endless. Connect with skilled professionals and top clients collaborating and innovating across the globe. Upwork is one of the largest freelance platforms that provides thousands of new projects for people with different skills every day, from digital and art to HR and consulting. You decide what job to do. You choose projects relevant to your skills and start offering your expertise to customers. My name is Anton Vorondyuk, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the Skills Booster Academy and co-owner of Web Promo Marketing Agency. Welcome to the first lesson of the Upwork course. I'm also excited to introduce you to my friend Alexey Serhienko, who is the content creator of this course. Alexey is the owner of the digital agency KPD Media. Nearly 2 years ago, he and his team started their journey on Upwork from scratch. Since then, they've completed over 100 projects on this platform and now thrive on the projects they receive through Upwork. Alexey put all this experience in one place, and I share this knowledge with you in this course. This course will be handy for everyone who wants to monetize their skills but doesn't know where to begin. If you are someone who has a job and wants to support yourself with side projects or change the workspace, you are in the right place. By the way, freelancers who worked with other platforms previously and want to switch to Upwork will also find this course helpful. Even businesses that provide digital service are searching for new ways to get conversions. They can see how Upwork can help them by taking this course. We will learn how to analyze competitors, demand, and existing offers on Upwork with built-in instruments. With that, you will understand what projects match your skills and how often they appear on Upwork. Having reviewed what people with similar skills look like, you will get background information on how to build your profile to stand out among them. After that, there will be some important information on how you can optimize the profile to be attractive to Upwork algorithm. This equips you with increased profile visibility in search results and recommendations. We will also talk about specializations and how they impact your Upwork. Furthermore, I will share tips and life hacks on how to make your profile candid to clients' eyes. And most interestingly, we will explore Upwork not only from the freelancer side, but also see how it appears for clients. This helps you better understand the customer's thoughts when they come on Upwork. I also share how to search for relevant projects and many other things that will assist you in starting your Upwork journey. This course is your chance to not only be effectively involved in Upwork, but also get expertise from 2 industry experts and their teams. Mine as the Udemy instructor partner and Skills Booster Academy, whose Udemy courses have more than 500,000 students around the world. We know how to teach students for better results and support them during all courses. At the same time, you will receive hands-on experience and relevant knowledge from Alexey and his KPD Media agency, who implements and uses Upwork for their business right now. This is a practical course. From the first lectures, we will dive deep into Upwork and observe how all these things work. Moreover, there are a lot of additional materials and links you can watch to boost your knowledge. As a reminder of the road you will go through during this course, you will receive a certificate from Udemy. This paper shows you are good at using this new way of doing things. You can put in your CV or LinkedIn to show your new expertise. Before we continue, thanks for choosing our course. We hope you enjoy this journey and will be glad to hear your feedback about it. Your thoughts are really important to us. It helps us make things even better. Also follow us on social media to stay updated with our latest news. We are excited to have you join our great community. Ready to start your freelance career on Upwork? Discover inside strategies, expert tips, and proven techniques to skyrocket your success on the world's largest freelance platform. Enroll now and pave the way for a brighter freelance future on Upwork.